everyone, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So again, this is Glimpse of May, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can share this video as well. We'll now be making a homemade moist chocolate cake. So let's start with flour, and then we also have here black coffee. We also have here cocoa. Okay, and we also have vegetable oil. Next we have sugar, eggs, baking soda, salt, and evaporated milk. Now the first thing that you have to do is just to mix all dry ingredients. So from flour, and then cocoa. By the way guys, this cocoa came from Cagayan de Oro, and this is really pure. Kaya masarap na masarap yan. And then we have baking soda. And then we have salt. So with the measurements of all these, I will be writing down that under description. And then we have here sugar. And then all you have to do is just mix all that. So mix nyo lang yan. So after mixing all the dry ingredients, ito namang liquid ingredients naman yung imimix natin. So we have milk, vegetable oil. So mix na natin yan. And then the eggs. And then we have coffee. So we'll just be mixing all that up. And then stir lang. So mix it well. And then you can place it right in the middle of the dry ingredients. And mix all ingredients so while I prepare the pot. And so we already have mixed it all up. So ilalagay na natin siya sa pot. And then again, this is a no-bake cake. So hindi na natin kailangan ng oven. What I'm gonna do is I will just steam it to cook. Okay? So steam to cook. There we go. So steam natin siya for 30 minutes. And as you can see, you can use toothpick to check if it's all dried up. So, pag dry up na siya, so that's all cooked. Now, we are now preparing the chocolate moist frosting. So, let's start with butter. And then we have milk. Okay, and then and then we can add cocoa. So, mimix lang natin yan. And then we can mix now the flour. So 2 tablespoons flour. And then the brown sugar. And then once mixed, ayan. So, ayan na. So it's mixed very well. So that's our chocolate moist cake frosting. Okay. So right after you steam, ito na yung final product. So, ayan na. So I'll just be cutting that in half.